Yeah, hello my groove friend. Gladys here and I'm so excited to be here again with another video. Now this is something that we just had like a surprise. It was like breaking news. Yeah, because groove funnels are going to partner with Chatmatic. Okay, I've never heard of Chatmatic before. I've never used any bot to run my business before, but now I'm going to try using Chatmatic, right? So it's something that I'm going to start learning. So right now I won't show you a lot. I won't show you any result, but I wanted to start documenting since from the beginning, so that when I start building it and having results with it, I'm going to be sharing as we go forward, right? So let me just turn the screen and show you about that. Yeah, so you remember we watched this one when I was doing the sneak peek of the infographic. So I'm just going to go down. August, we passed August, September, we've passed September, October is coming up, and it's coming with great announcements and the launch from the 6th to the 18th of October. It's the launch. So you've seen that in the other video that I did, and you want to be part of the launch because there are so many great prizes to win. And even if you're not winning those great prizes, you need to get your account, whether you're getting the free version or you're getting the lifetime version, which is the craziest deal ever. I've never seen something like that, knowing that I've spent thousands and thousands of euros investing into softwares that I'm not even using today, right? So so this is the thing that you need to take, especially the lifetime deal, get it now, right? So coming back here, I wanted to show you here that when we were going through the infographic, we came here, miscellaneous services. And remember, we talked about Chatmatic, right? You remember that time, right? So let me go deep into that. So I'm just going to bring this image. So these are the breaking news because it is here. It's not waiting. You see, like sometimes they say it's gonna be on, you see this one, they've said it's going to be on the quarter 4. We are not far from there, right? But it's from November. So you see it's coming, it has come even before that time. So sometimes something delay, but then most of the times some things come even before that time, right? So Chatmatic is here. We are so happy. So breaking news, Groove Funnels plus Chatmatic. It's a great wedding, right? So if you're a free or a paid member of Groove, you want to see this video. So it's this video. So we already saw the video, and those were the breaking news that they brought this partnership, and it's really going, it's really a great deal. You have to jump on right now if you want to take your marketing to the next high level. I don't know how I can emphasize on that, but this is going to change like everything. If you know of Chatmatic, if you can go to their landing page, you see they say start leveraging Messenger, making more, and do it quickly with Chatmatic. And that's true. I didn't even hear, I never knew about Chatmatic. I've heard of ManyChat, but I've never heard of Chatmatic. So Groove Funnels, they are integrating with this one. Chatmatic remains its own company, and Groove Funnels, it's a company on its own, but they are going to have like a partnership. They are working together from starting now. So we are going to be having more information as we go by. But for now, we have news that if you're a lifetime member with Groove, like there are some advantages, right? There are some advantages. So once you create your free account, go create your free account right now on www.groovefriend.com, groovefriend.com. And once you create your free account, you're going to get the video that talks more about this Chatmatic thing. But anyway, we are already inside, both the free members and the paid members. We are already in Chatmatic. So this is my account in Chatmatic. I already created it because we are in the game already, and we are going to be having more information. So I've not created anything yet because it has just happened right now. The breaking news, it's right now on end September. So you see I've connected my page, which is Groove Smyle. On Facebook, if you've not followed my Facebook page, it's Groove Smyle. So go follow it. And so I've just connected it right now. And for now, I don't have subscribers, so you can go there and be my first subscribers. So I've not created anything, so I'm going to be learning and creating some stuff, creating the triggers, the broadcasts, the workflows, crazy. And you see they have training here, so it's all about learning, and I can't wait to learn more about this, right? So what's the most important thing is that Groove Smyle, it's on Chatmatic. Why is not coming? Okay, so that's it. Okay, so data not provided because I've not created anything. So but you can see I'm in Chatmatic. So I'll be making more videos about Chatmatic and how I'm working it with Groove Funnels, how these two are marrying each other. So I'm going to be giving you more information about that, right? And something else I've realized about Chatmatic on their landing page is they say you can also message. I don't know where I was reading about that. But you can also do SMS marketing. So I guess this is going to be the greatest thing ever I ever did. I'm going to be looking for my affiliate link of Chatmatic, because I guess they also have affiliate, and I'm going to be sharing with you so that you can also get Chatmatic. And I hope you get Chatmatic through Groove Funnels, because it's going to be more advantageous, right? Yeah, so at the end of this video, I'm going to be giving you the links, so make sure that you sign up right now, because you don't want to go out of to be out of the deal by 18th of October. Take action right now, right? Yeah, so that being said, see you on another video, on more detailed videos, because now it's more of action, right? And more detailed videos ahead. Yeah, so our sneak peeks are over right now, and now I'm preparing for the launch between the 6th and the 18th. So you guys sign up right now so that we can work together during the launch, because we want to take this message around the world so that we can help job seekers, idea carriers, talent carriers, gift carriers, all of these people. We want to help them take the ideas out of their head. Those who are procrastinating on creating their businesses, we have to help them to take these to take their ideas out there and create it on Groove Funnels, right? With this free offer and the lifetime crazy deal, right? So see you on another video. Yeah, so how have you seen that, right? It sounds to be interesting, right? So I'm going to be giving you more information. So if you want to be part of using Chatmatic and Groove Funnels at the same moment, join right now. Get your software right now from the www.groovefriend.com, groovefriend.com. Get your free version of Groove Funnels there, of your software, where you're going to create up to 3 sites, and you're going to have other these other apps integrated inside for free for a lifetime, or the paid version, a lifetime fee that you pay, and it's lifetime, you'll never pay it again. Pay before, take it before, sign up, because before 18th of October, because after 18th of October it's going to be paid. The free version is going to be $99. The lifetime deal we are having right now, the platinum, it's going to be $299 per month. The other $199 per month, and in between there's a gold that is going to be $199 per month. You don't want to be paying bills every month. Aren't you tired of paying bills and paying bills? Anyway, that's your choice. You have the power of choice, so you make your choices. But this is a great deal that you have to take before the 18th of October 2020, right? And when you do that before the 18th, you're going to get Chatmatic for free. Is it for free? Yeah, you're going to get it for free. Okay, and then if you get the free version, if you get the free version, you're going to get Chatmatic up to 250 subscribers for free. Okay, and then also if you're a paid, you're going to get 250 subscribers for free, but you're going to enter into a template club and some other exciting things that they're going to be coming up as time goes by. So grandfather yourself right now as one of the founding members, and you're not going to regret it, right? Okay, so see you on another video.